Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting. Today I'm going to do a super cute DIY tutorial on how to upcycle these plain wooden kitchen utensils and make them really jazzy for your two-tier trays or anywhere around the kitchen or house that you'd like to display. So I have this chopping board from the pound shop. I've stained one side dark, but I've left the other side how it comes from the shop so you can see. I actually might just keep that like that anyway. I've done a previous Easter tutorial on how to put Easter stencils, and I've stuck some bees and ladybirds on. I've also done these for Christmas and winter, but I'm now going to do this one for summer going into autumn. So I'm going to stick some stickers on. I've got some summery stickers here picked up at the range, and I've got some jazzy letters, so I'm going to put those on. On the autumn side I've got this printable that I'm just going to Mod Podge onto the front. I think that's going to look really nice. I tend to get these printables off. There's loads of lovely American ladies that have blogs and they give free printables out. There's Anne on Sutton Place, the Turquoise Home, and then there's the Crazy Craft Lady. There's quite a few. I might post links to them perhaps in the description if you're interested, because I think they're really nice. And as you might have seen from some of my home tours, I do use a lot of them in frames around the house, because I think seasonal decor is really a nice idea. The Americans have done it for years, and I think we're just starting to cotton on. So now I'm changing the house every season. It makes the house feel fresh all the time. So that's what I'm doing with these utensils as well. I have this rolling pin that I made. I painted it white, painted that black, buffalo check, and the words, I actually got these off eBay. It's a Raydon style acrylic decals, and this goes on the tiered tray and it goes round the house and in the kitchen. And I just thought what would be nice is if I had one for Halloween, one for Easter, and one for Christmas. I even thought you could have a couple for Christmas, and if you had a tree in your kitchen, you could almost put them into the tree, you know. And you can get food baubles as well, can't you? So you can have actually a Christmas themed tree. If not, it can just go in the two-tiered tray, or you know, by the coffee station, or in your utensils holder. So I think it's a good idea. Same with these wooden spoons. I got these from Wilko, 50p each, and I'm just going to paint the tops of them, possibly, and then put like a Halloween themed boo on or something, or draw a little pumpkin or something, and then that can go in the utensil holder, and it just sticks out the top and it just makes it look a little bit fun and seasonal. So these ones are from Wilko also. They're £1. Sometimes they're actually 75p depending if they've got a sale on. So I'm going to do one for Halloween, one for Christmas, one for Easter, but I might actually end up buying some more and do 2 for each one, just so I have options. So I've got the paints from the works. If you've got a rewards card for the works, you can actually collect points every time you buy things. So I actually ended up getting this paint for free because I had some points gathered up from some of the stuff I bought from the works online. So they last a long time anyway, so to be honest, I think it's quite a good deal. They're £2 each. So I am going to paint some of them black with orange for Halloween. Then I'm going to mix up an orange with the yellow and the red, paint that orange and then black. As you can see here, I've got this little container. This is just so when I've painted the body, I can rest the sides on it and it can dry. And then when I've painted these handles, I can actually just put them flat on the counter, because then they won't move about. So that's what that's there for when I'm painting them. Okay, I think that's everything covered. I've got some black glitter letters that I also bought at the works. I think I'm going to use those on here. And then I have got some decals that I got from the pound shop when they were doing their pantry stuff. I've used some of them in the pantry, and they're just leftovers as well. And I have got some more of these. They're just coming in the post. I bought them off someone on Etsy, and they were 90p each, and you could have them in whatever colour you want and whatever word you want, which I think is great, because they do look really nice. So that's an option. But if you don't want to do that, as I say, you can buy these stickers and you can get them to put them on yourself. Hi, quick update. I've decided to make two rolling pins for Halloween. So far I've painted one black, one orange, and I'm going to do the handles next. I've painted one yellow for Easter, and I'm going to put green on the handles. And then I've painted one red. I'm going to do white on the handles. And then I decided I wanted another one for Christmas, so I'm going to do white with red handles. So I've just been to Wilko, bought another rolling pin, and then I was going to buy another one for Easter, but it didn't have another one, so actually it made me change my mind. But I'm quite excited to try this out. I've bought 2 of these spatulas for 35p each, so super bargain, and I'm going to paint the top and then do something Eastery on that one, and then I might go for something like Be Happy on that one and use my paint pens after I've painted the background, or I might leave it blank and just go straight paint pens on that. And then I got another one of these for 50p. I might do that for Christmas. So I just wanted to add that in, and I'm going to get on and get everything else painted up. I'll do it speeded up for you, and then I can show you the finished results. So here we are, they're all finished now. I'm really pleased with how it's all turned out, and I can't wait to use them in my decor. So please look at future videos and you'll probably see them popping up on 2-tier trays and around and about the kitchen. Here I have got all my utensils. So I've got my 2 spatulas. I ended up doing a Be Happy on here. And then I'd actually done the other side, just some geometric fun patterns, because I realised I didn't have a lot for summer. So I'm using this one at the moment, and then I will segue as we get more sunny into that one before moving on to these later in the year when we get to Halloween, and then that one for Christmas, and then this one for Easter. I thought I added the little pom-pom because I thought that made it look a little bit more Eastery. I mean, obviously I'm not going to use them, they're just for decoration. As you can see, there's a nice little sheen on them because I have managed to paint over them with this soft gel gloss. It's kind of like Mod Podge, really. You can use it as a glue, and you can also use it as a varnish, so it just gives them that nice shiny touch. I've actually done everything with it, so everything's got the varnish on, and it helps stick things down and make it nice and shiny and smooth. So those are my utensils. Also, just showing you if you're interested, these are the pens that I used. So I've got these metallic pens. This one's an acrylic paint pen, and then I have got these Posca pens as well, although I tended to be honest mostly use these ones. So they're a metallic colour pen if you're interested. So that's those. Then I have my rolling pins I'm very happy with. So I have my 2 Halloween ones. So I've got Boo, and then I've got Trick or Treat. I've got my 2 Christmas ones, Merry and Bright, and then I've got one Easter one, Hop. If I do go and get another one, I've got Bunny, so I might end up doing a bunny. I have got the word spooky as well, but I'm thinking I might put that on a black mug. So I shall see what I do with those. These I bought off Etsy. They were 90p each. They're a little bit hard to stick on, which is why I didn't video myself doing those ones, because they're a bit tricky. I think they're designed to go on plastic water bottles, so it wasn't as easy peeling the front off them on the wood, but they came off. You know, they didn't stick, so they were okay putting them on. But it was a bit tricky. This one, I got this one on eBay, and that was a lot easier. This one was £1.50, so it's a bit more expensive. But I suppose sometimes, you pay a bit more, you get something a bit easier. But I would still definitely recommend these. I think they're nice. They're a little bit bigger than I thought, but I would recommend them, and I will post the people that I bought them off. So if you're interested, you can have a look on their sites. So I'm really happy with those. And then my chopping board, I've got on the one side this, and then on the other side I've got the Halloween. What I've actually done is I've just used a bit of tape to hold my bow on, because I shall change that when I put it on. And I didn't want to lose it, so I've put that, and then I shall lean that up somewhere and you won't see that that's on the back. So there you go. Really happy. I hope it's inspired you to show that you can make really nice things on a budget, and also it's just fun doing it, isn't it? And then, as I say, when you put them around your house, you're like, oh, I made that. So thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.